Hello dear 4th graders, my name is Snježana Pavić and I will be your teacher today. The topic of today's lesson is a new plant. By the end of this lesson you will be able to name parts and functions of a plant. You will be able to read a text about how plants grow, and you will be able to write a diary of a being plant. For this lesson, you need a notebook, a pencil, and a device with internet connection. Today we are going to learn about the parts of a plant. Plants have 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 of them help plants get water, make food, and grow. They are roots, stems, and leaves. And other 3 help plants grow new plants. And they are flowers, fruit, and seeds. Let's learn the plant parts one by one. The first plant part we are going to look at today are the roots. Roots have a special job. They hold the plant in the soil. The soil holds water and nutrients, and it is an ideal place for plants to grow. Then roots bring water and nutrients from the soil to the plant. Well, you know that roots are usually under the ground, but they can be above the ground too. Have you ever seen a tree that looks like this? The second part of a plant are the stems. Stems hold the plant up above the ground. They carry water and nutrients through the plant. Eto, to je njihova funkcija. Oni prenose vodu i hranjive sastojke kroz biljku. The next part are the leaves. Leaves are on the ends of the stems of plants. And this is interesting. Plants make most of their food in leaves. Leaves take in air, and they use air, water, and sunlight to make food. The next are the parts that help the plant make a new plant. Well, flowers, just like leaves, grow on the end of stems, and they are the colorful part of the plant. Their function is to attract birds and bees and butterflies, and they help plants to make fruit or seeds. They do this by moving pollen, and pollen je pelud, from one flower of a plant to another flower, and only then plants can make fruit or seeds. The next part is the fruit. Fruit is the tasty thing. Where is the fruit on the plant? Yes, fruit hangs on the end of stems. And what does the fruit do? Well, the fruit job is to hold the seed. Seeds hide inside of the fruit. They have a very important job. They grow into new plants. And how does that work? Here is one way. The seeds travel. Well, they can travel by wind, water, and animals. Or, another way, fruit falls from the tree and rots, istrune, The seeds fall out and can make a new plant. And now we are going to play a game called Name the Plant Part. I will show you a plant part and then you go ahead and tell me which plant part it is. Hope you're ready. Here we go. Look at this picture of a plant. Which plant part is this? Yes, the roots of this plant. Great job. And here is the next one. Which plant part is this? Yes, the fruit of the plant. Great job again. Look at the picture. Can you name this plant part? The flowers. Awesome. Let's try this one. What is this? Yes, the stem. And what about this? Can you name this plant part? Well done, leaves. And here is the last one. Can you name this plant part? Yes, the seeds. Great job. And you are about to read a short story. Before you start reading, have a look at the title. Well, first pause the video and copy the words you think you will find in the text. Pause the video and copy the words in your notebooks. There are 7 words that you will find in the text. And now just listen and repeat. A pot. Next one. Soil. Great. A watering jug. Excellent. A paper towel. Awesome. A water bottle. Bean seeds. Great. Tomatoes. Well done. And a tea towel. Great. Thank you. And now pause the video and just go ahead and read the text. And again, pause the video and read the text. Can you put the sentences in the correct order and complete Adriana's plant diary? What do you think? I have an idea. Why don't you plant some bean seeds yourself and see what happens? How about that? But first, let us just quickly check which of the words did not appear in the text. Yes, tomatoes and a tea towel. Great, well done. Let's go back to your diary and to your bean plant. To plant a bean seed, you need a plastic water bottle, scissors, a paper towel, some beans, and a watering jug. First, cut the top of the water bottle with your scissors, and then put some paper towel into the bottle. Then take your bean seed and place it upright in the bottle. Upright znači uspravno. It is important that the bean is standing upright. This is how it will grow, so you can clearly see it. And then use your watering jug and pour some water into your bottle. You only need around 2 centimeters of water, and the paper towel will soak it all up. Papirnati ručnik će povući vodu s dna boce i upiti vodu. And start to make your bean diary. Take a new picture every week to see how much the beans have grown. For example, week number 1, then week number 2, week number 3, and so on, as many weeks as you need. And write about your plant parts. Take a photo of them, draw them, and write their function. Then finally send the diary to your teacher. Before the seeds start growing any leaves, put them in the pot, because they need the nutrients from soil. You will need to carefully put the beans and paper from the bottle and place them into a hole in the soil. And be careful, do not break the root. And finally, do not forget your task. Your task was to check Adriana's sentences and put them in the right order. You can check the order of the sentences with your class and your teacher. And it's self-assessment time. You need to say what you can do and what you can't do. If you can name plant parts, name the function of each plant part. And if you can plant a bean seed and write your plant diary, then tick this happy face. And if you can't, then tick this sad face. And dear ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Bye bye.